994. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine. Source code is right here if you want to follow along. We are on the, actually, 1-minute version of this code. Oh, we better go. Okay, illegal stuff. Monkey wrench macro section. In this new section, one day I'll know, we have these little tags here for the fixes: geo-base fix, bomb-base fix, and fad-base fix. And these are the lookup tables that we are looking for if we make these erroneous guesses here, or these erroneous guesses here. These are the fixes. Now, we separated this with a space so that this is kind of like a one-way funnel to the correct code. So just monkey wrench macros for things that you should not be typing in the engine. Inside of the hunk ring function section, inside of this function that takes a ring-shaped blast and converts it into a hunk tetrad, we have removed this line of code right here, right? Remove after hunk ring unit test main wired up. Our unit test is wired up. We need to remove this error so we can start getting errors from our unit test, because the unit test is starting to kind of come through. And that this is in this section right here, DPI and R13 within the function that we were just looking at. There's a lot of stuff in here. That's kind of why I bounced down to. Okay, so let's go down to the next section. Hunk ring unit test main. This is the function that we're working on to test the hunk ring system. UTM for unit test main. Okay, so if we scroll all the way fucking down here, all right, we have this new section, error check shared corners. This is a bit of a long lookup table name. It takes the room index and gives us the data pixel index of the top left corner of tile size 0 tiles, 1x size tiles, for the FATA memory, right? The base address of the FATA memory clusters for tile size exponent 0 for a certain room, right? And it's going to be in terms of a one-dimensional data pixel index rather than an XY coordinate. So R13 to DPI is our alias for this lookup table. E is for error, and we're going to just check those shared corner values, right? Those shared corner values that we calculated up here in shared corners, right? These things right here. We're going to cross-check these values against our lookup table. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, and you see the same numbers right here. Log if it's not correct, and then we're just going to log. We're not going to throw an error, because then right here, we got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. Cross-check against the lookup table with the same exact numbers right in here, and if it's not correct, we're going to throw an error with a unique error message to point us to where things are going wrong. We're out of time! If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go down here. My name is Kanji Coder.